So today I'd like to share with you how to control cabbage worms or cabbage loopers in your garden. So cabbage loopers are a part of our natural landscape here in the country, and they live on the white top weeds that we have around the farm. So there's really no way of ever eliminating the cabbage loopers from the garden. But the next best thing is to disrupt the worm's life cycle so they don't reproduce in the garden. So loopers have 4 stages. There's egg, worm, cocoon, and moth. And I like to disrupt the cycle at the worm stage. So once we start to see the cabbage loopers flying around the farm and the gardens, then we start our program. So we will run our control program until the 3rd frost in the fall. So in the Homemade Pest Control ebook guide, there are 11 methods to control cabbage loopers or cabbage worms, and I wanted to share with you my 4 favorite methods. So one is BT. This is a bacterial pathogen that is used for biological control over the larvae, and it's widely used by organic growers, and I've used it with great success. It is safe for the plants, animals, and humans. All right, number 2 is caterpillar deterrent citrus spray. So caterpillars don't like the taste of citrus and its bitter chemicals. They run the caterpillars off. So to make the citrus spray, you're going to grind up the rinds and the seeds of any citrus fruit. They can be orange, lemons, limes, grapefruits, whatever. And then you're going to soak this overnight in 2 cups of water. And then you're going to strain out the pulp and add 2 teaspoons of liquid soap to the mix, and then you're going to spray this on the plants as needed. Number 3 is Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. This is another bacteria that upsets the caterpillar's stomachs so that they stop eating. So we use the Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew once a week from the time we see the white cabbage looper moth in the spring until our 3rd hard frost. So before we get to number 4, if you'd like to learn the other 7 ways to control cabbage loopers in the garden, you can get our Homemade Organic Pest Control ebook, and you get that for free when you sponsor the High Performance Garden Show. And we give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide. And this is for anyone who sponsors the show at the $8.25 level. So if you're interested in that, then go to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. Just scroll down the page for the sponsor section. All right, number 4 is diatomaceous earth. So diatomaceous earth is ground up fossilized seashells. And diatomaceous earth will puncture the soft body insects, and then they're going to dehydrate and die. So what you do with this is you just sprinkle it around the garden, around the plants that you want to protect. And if it gets wet, then you want to go ahead and reapply it.